Introducing Brownia, Brownia grandiscips of the family Fabaceae. Brownia is also known as Rose of Venezuela or Scarlet Plain Bean, is a small to medium-sized evergreen tree. It is native to tropical South America, particularly Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, and neighboring areas, and is widely cultivated in tropical regions as an ornamental tree. The species is recognized for its attractive spreading crown and large showy clusters of flowers. The principal use of Brownia is as an ornamental and landscape tree. It is planted in gardens, parks, states, and botanical collections because of its spectacular flowers and attractive young foliage. The species is also useful for botanical and horticultural education because its trunk, borne inflorescences, and distinctive young leaves provide useful characteristics for plant identification.